Brightspace offers several different ways for you to get in contact with your class directly from the learning management system. One of these ways is through email. You can email your class by first going to the class you would like to email, and then clicking Course Admin in the top menu of your course. This will take you to a page with all the tools you have access to as an instructor. The tool we are looking for is called Class List. It is under the Learner Management section, right here. The Class List tool will show you a list of all people enrolled in your course, noted by the role they have as instructor or learner by this column. And you can email the entire class list by clicking this button at the top. When you click it, it will show you a list of the recipients, and then you can click Send Email, and this will create a pop-up for you to compose an email. Notice all the recipients by default are blind carbon copied, so they will receive the email, but they will not see who else has also received it. And like any other emailing program, you can put in a subject line as well as the body of the paragraph that you would like to send out. When you're done, you can click Send, and that will send the email out to your entire class list. If you would like to only email a select few students from your class, you can do that by, again, coming to the same class list tool under Course Admin, and then selecting the boxes next to the students you would like to email. So say we only want to send an email to this one student. We check off the box, and then we click this email button. Again, it will open up a new tab with the same subject and body text boxes that you're used to. And note that only the one student I had selected is here in the recipients line. Again, to find this email tool, you go to Course Admin from the course you would like to email, and scroll down under Learner Management and click on Class List.